Hi ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through how to synchronize e-invoice statuses and view responses received from your customers via the InvoiceNow network using ABSS Accounting Connect or ABSS Premier Connect. To begin, navigate to the File tab and select Process e-Invoice, e-Bill, e-PO. Next, select the Sync e-Invoice status toggle and click the Sync button located at the top right corner of the screen. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials to begin the secure data exchange. Once logged in, please wait a moment while the system completes the synchronization process. Once the process is complete, a list of e-invoices will be displayed with their latest status updates. To view more details for a specific transaction, you can access the response log, where you will find information such as the response date, as well as any remarks or feedback provided by your customer regarding the invoice. We hope this guide helps you manage your digital transactions with greater clarity and confidence. Thank you for watching.